Wellness Complete Health gives your dog the balanced nutrition they need for a lifetime of well-being. This natural recipe is crafted for whole body health and packed with vital nutrients. Every bowl of Complete Health includes glucosamine, chondroitin, and calcium that support your dog's joint and bone health, probiotics, prebiotics, and fibers for healthy digestion, essential vitamins and minerals to support immune health, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids to nourish their skin and coat, and crunchy, vitamin-rich kibble to keep their teeth and mouth clean. A lifetime of well-being starts with Wellness Complete Health.